Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to transfer auto-rickshaw permit in West Bengal. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page West Bengal Transfer Auto-Rickshaw Permit. Here in this page we have given detailed procedure along with information and instructions which are useful for an applicant to complete this procedure. Also you can see few links for external websites and forms which are again useful for an applicant to complete this procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, there is a select language tab which is provided on the top right corner of our page with many languages to select from the drop down menu. Select the language of your choice to understand this procedure in your known language for better understanding. The list of items covered in this session today: need to transfer auto rickshaw permit, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to transfer auto rickshaw permit. See, auto rickshaws are the vehicle which are constructed to carry limited passengers as per the permit in the allowed route. We use these vehicles in our daily need in our local place for going from one place to another on our need, and we will pay them as per the metered amount which they fix it in the vehicle. So these vehicles will travel in a specified route and they can't travel in the route which is not permitted for them. These are all prescribed under the rule 1989 of the Act. The auto rickshaw permit can be transferred in case of death of the permit holder or in case of the personal reasons as applicable, and also due to the new vehicle which is inducted in place of an old vehicle. Auto rickshaw permit is needed for an auto rickshaw owner to carry passenger on a higher basis from one point to another. One cannot operate this vehicle without this permit on the allowed route. Let us see the documents required for this procedure. You can download the application form from the link provided here. This will give access to the forms related page of the West Bengal State Portal. So respective application form can be obtained directly from the RTO office. Original permit, registration certificate, fitness certificate, insurance certificate, proof of payment of tax for the current quarter, payment of green tax wherever applicable, pollution under control certificate, Aadhaar card, the resolution of the RTA or STA or the court order if required should be submitted. Apart from this, in case of natural transfer, that is age-related transfer of the permit holder, an affidavit to the effect that the other family members are accepting the transfer of vehicle and the permit in the name of the applicant, which should be duly attested by the notary, has to be submitted. In case of death transfer, meaning the death of the permit holder, the legal hire can do this. Death certificate in relation to the permit holder, copy of the letter in which the death of the permit holder was intimated to the competent authority, legal hire certificate issued by the competent authority enabling the applicant to succeed the possession of the vehicle as well as the permit, or proper person certificate or a family member certificate in place of legal hire certificate which is issued by the concerned authority can be submitted. If you are using proper person certificate or a family member certificate, then you have to enclose an affidavit in effect that other family members are accepting the transfer of vehicle as well as the permit in the name of the applicant, and it has to be duly attested by the notary, has to be submitted. Transfer due to change of vehicle is where the registration certificate of the proposed vehicle for replacing the new existing one has to be submitted. Fitness certificate of the existing vehicle and the vehicle proposed for replacing the new existing one. Insurance certificate in respect of the vehicle proposed for replacing the existing vehicle. Payment of green tax wherever applicable for the new vehicle. Proof of payment of vehicle proposed for replacing the existing vehicle for the current quarter. And moreover, if the existing vehicle is under stoppage, meaning it is not used or it is not um, transporting anything, and it is not having valid FC, valid IC, and the payment of tax for the current quarter are not updated, meaning not paid, not to worry about the transfer, because as long as the stoppage is genuine, meaning the stoppage happened due to illegal usage of vehicle, or the payment, any penalties which are not paid by the owner, then it will not be eligible for transferring. You have to contact the authorities for doing this. Let us see how to apply. To apply in person, like the transfer of auto rickshaw permit in West Bengal, the applicant has to go to the RTO office concerned for his area. Don't worry if you don't know the address of the local RTO office. Click the contact link provided here to reach the contacts page of West Bengal State Portal for transport. Here you have many offices listed here. Select the offices near to your location and mark the address so that you can go directly for applying. Respective application form can be obtained directly from the RTO. Make sure that you have all the necessary documents for applying, because missing out one document, your application stands rejected. The applicant should make sure they are eligible for this process, and the applicant has to go to the RTO office, collect the form directly from the RTO office, fill the application form, attach all the documents and submit it to an officer there. He will mark the amount on the counter which you need to pay. Go to the counter, stand in the queue, on your turn, submit these documents and pay the fees. After accepting your document and fees, the authorities will do the internal processing of application. Important verification for the permit, including the condition of the body built, meter certified by the authorities, vehicle condition, seating arrangements, etc. will be carried by authorities. After checking the vehicle for its correctness and other appropriate requirement, also like the legality of the applicant, the application will be processed further to transfer auto rickshaw permit on satisfactory. Eligibility: owner of the vehicle is eligible in case of transfer due to age related, vehicle replacement and personal reason. Legal hire is eligible in case of owner demise. The condition of the vehicle will also considered for transferring the permit. Validity: transfer of permit will not affect the validity of the permit. Fees: the link provided below here will take you to a page which has information pertaining to different services and the kind of fees which they collect for each such service. This will give an information to applicant to carry the fair amount for completing this procedure with the RTO. Processing time: it takes 5 working days for transferring the permit. Offices and contacts: Public Vehicles Department, 38 Beltala Road, Kolkata 20. Contacts, email, fax are provided here for your interaction and complaints and also clarifications. Also, we have provided the contact link here, which we have already explained, to locate the RTO office so that you can personally go there. Online resources: these links provided here will give direct access to the page which we just saw for completing the procedure. The information and details provided here in this page are very much useful for completing this procedure. So we have provided these websites as link in appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: auto rickshaw should have the meter fixed unit to get fair amount for the ride. FC for clearance is a process meant for reviewing the condition of the vehicle by the RTO authorities. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to transfer auto rickshaw permit in West Bengal.